Hello friends, today I want to introduce you to best free keyword research tool that will make your life easier when it comes to finding lucrative keywords on Google and get more SEO traffic. This tool is Ubersuggest Chrome extension. So just go to Google and type for Google Ubersuggest Chrome extension and click on the first link, and this is how the extension look like. And here you will find the option of add to Chrome. So I've already added it. So open a new tab and type in the keyword which you want to do research for. So for example purpose, I'm using nofollow as a keyword, and let's see what all information this extension can give. Here you can find the monthly search for this particular keyword. Monthly search is a number of searches this particular keyword has during a month. And next it will show it's showing CPC, what's the average cost per click if you wanted to pay Google to be seen as an ad. If someone is paying a high CPC, the keyword is usually more valuable. And if you click on view all, here you will find what is a SEO difficulty. SEO difficulty is estimated competition in organic search. The higher the number, the more competitive it is. And next you will find paid difficulty. It's estimated competition in paid search. The higher the number, the more competitive it is. And here you can find the data of what's a search volume between mobile and desktop versions. And here it's showing how many people are actually clicking on the SEO result. So if you hover over it, you can see 293 people actually click on SEO results and 587 people actually don't click on any result. So based on this ratio you can decide whether to choose this keyword or not. And it also shows what is a age group actually clicking on this result. So if you see 16.7% of the searches are happening between the age group of 25 to 34, and 83% of the search are happening between the age group of 35 to 44. So based on your target audience you can decide whether to select this keyword or not. And if you come to the search result, and it's showing more informations like domain score. It's based on variety of factors. This is the overall strength of the website. A score of 0 to 100 is given to all sites. The higher the number, the more authoritative a site is and the higher it ranks on Google. And next it's showing what's the domain traffic. Domain traffic is the average number of SEO visitors per month for this domain, and it's showing how many times this URL has been shared on Pinterest and how many times it has been shared on Facebook. And here it's showing URL link. It's a number of unique referring domains this URL actually has. And if you come to this section, here you can find the related keywords. Now currently it's showing for US. You can actually change the location. Here you can select what is a preferred locations. So it's there is actually a huge selection. So you can select any one country from here, and actually it shows this list is related keywords, a list of keyword ideas that are similar to keywords you have searched for on Google. This is one of the largest set of data this extension provide actually. And so you got to know what are the features and options this extension can provide. So this extension is very easy to set up and very simple to use. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press on bell notification so you will get a direct notification every time I publish a video. Thank you for watching.